if you did this trick and you got free data or free minutes, good. But if you got free gems and you want to know how to use those free gems, this video is for you. I'll show you how to use those gems today on this video. So without wasting any time, let's start. But before we start, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure hit the subscribe button right now, and on our next video I get it. Shout out. So just gonna have to dial *142# what we're using MTN, but on MTN, and you go to option number 7 win. And now you go to option number 1, right? So this one is for flip, right? So this is how we were getting data. So you can see data, minutes, gems, and more. So these days it's not that easy to get free data because a lot of people know about this. So if you want to be the first one to know about this, if you want to be one of the first few people know about this, so you gotta make sure that you subscribe to this channel and you make sure that the bell icon is on so you don't miss any new video that we drop, right? So can enjoy these things, right? So let's try again. So I'm just gonna play. I'm not sure I'm gonna win anything. Let's see, maybe I will win something. You can see right here I won 5 gems, right? So let's go back. So to use your gems, this is what you gotta do, right? So let's go again there, play. So you just gotta have to go to gem store, right? Go to gem store, and then right here can use those gems to buy, flip, and play again, so you can get free data or free minutes. Or you can just go to option number 2 to buy data or minutes, right? So you can see these are the available offers right here. So but you see you're gonna need a lot of gems, and gems they expire after about 7 days. So I just want to buy the flip, so maybe I will win something. Maybe I will win something. Let me flip again. Okay, let me go back. Let me play again. So I have one play. Let me play. Okay, I won 7 gems, but last time when I was trying it, I couldn't buy flip multiple times in one day. So let's see again. Let's see if maybe I will win, right? Let's try to buy flip again, and let me buy. So you can see right here, right? NA. So if I do this, I cannot buy. You can see that exceeded, right? So all you have to do, guys, that's what you gotta do, right? Make sure you get those free gems, as many as you can get. Play every single day, and then after that you just have to buy data, right? Buy data, buy minutes, because when you try to play again, when you try to buy the flip and win data or minutes, you cannot win because a lot of people know about this, guys. So if you want free data and free minutes and free vouchers, check out this video right here.